Hi everyone, this is Kijivo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, yung official trailer ng Until She Remembers, drama with Charo Santos, Concho, Barbie Fortesa, and Miss Boots Anson Roa. So I won't take any longer. I am really hoping na maliwanagan tayo dito kasi from the last time na gumawa ako ng reaction video, ang dami kong haka-haka, ang dami kong mga assumptions. Pero isa lang ata yung nagkatotoo doon, yung tipong, or nagtama doon. Imagine, isa lang ata yung nagkatama doon. Yung tipong nagkaroon ng, what you call this, nagkaroon ng Alzheimer's silang dalawa. Si Boots Anson Roa and si, what do you call this, yung isa? Si Miss Boots Anson Roa and at the same time si Ma'am Charo Santos. So silang dalawa lang doon yung alam kong nagkaroon ng Alzheimer's. Pero hindi ko ma-debunk or hindi ko ma-analyze kung ano ang connection nilang dalawa. Mag-sisters ba sila? Mag-jowa ba sila? And ano ang kinalaman ni Barbie sa relasyon ni Miss Boots Anson Roa and ni Miss Charo Santos? So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. In fairness sa akin, Ma'am Charo Santos, lately, ang kanyang mga pelikula, kakaiba. Kung sila man dito, kung mag-jowa man talaga dito si Boots Anson Roa and si Ma'am Charo Santos, kakaiba. Kasi from the last movie na ginawa ni Ma'am Charo Santos is together with Ding Dong Dantes. Yun naman is na in love or nagkaroon sila ng relasyon ni Ding Dong Dantes. Basta maganda rin yung story na yun. I forgot what is the title of that song, of that movie. So, I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Madami kong chika. So dito, marami talaga tayong poses, tapos i-dissect natin. Or panoorin muna natin isa-isa. Oh, wait. Baka magkaibigan lang sila. So, ang isa sa kanila is mother ni Barbie Fortesa or related si Barbie Fortesa. Ang isa sa kanila. Tapos siguro, hinanap ni Barbie Fortesa. It's either si Boots Anson Roa or si Charo Santos. I don't know. Ganda ng color grading. Nakasan natin ha.
Tonight I can write the saddest lines. The night is starry and the stars are blue and shiver in the distance. The night wind revolves in the sky and sings. Tonight I can write the saddest lines.
Ay, na Barbie yan?
I loved her. And sometimes she loved me too.
Through nights like this one, I held her in my arms. I kissed her again and again.
I kissed her again and again. So basically, magjowa. Tama ba? O hindi tayo sure kung sino ba yung sumusulat?
Through nights like this one, I held her in my arms.
Okay.
I kissed her again and again. Under the endless sky. I loved her. Sometimes she loved me too.
Sometimes.
How could one not have loved those great still eyes? Tonight I write the saddest lines.
Saddest
To think
lies.
that I could not have her. To feel that I have lost her. To hear the immense night.
Oh my God, the musical
Still
sound score are on point.
immense
I love
without
it.
her. And the verse falls to the soul like dew to the pasture. What does it matter that my love did not keep her? The night is shattered and she is not with me.
Ano naman kinalaman ni Angel Aquino dyan? Mama siya ni Barbie. Mama ni Barbie si Angel Aquino. So, anong kinalaman ni Barbie Fortesa kina Boots Anson Roa?
In the distance, someone is singing.
Ay, andito din pala si Albert
In
Martinez.
the distance,
Eric
my
Quezon.
soul is
Oh my God, I really love the cast. In fairness. Ay, sino to? Vince Villion.
that it has lost her.
Oh, I love the shots. I really love the shots. So, this is the official trailer. Tapos na yun? Yun na yun? Nabiti naman ako for today's video. Wait, baka meron pa. Oo, yun na nga siya. So basically, So basically, okay, basically ha, ganun pa din. Tama nga talaga yung ano nyo, yung assumption nila sa comment section nung gumawa ko ng reaction video dito na parang magjowa. Magjowa si Boots Anson Roa and si what do you call this, si Boots at saka si Charo Santos. Pero ang hindi ko lang talaga mag-gets, ano ang connection ni Barbie Fortesa? Yung bahay ba kung saan bumaba si Barbie Fortesa kanina? Saan ba yun? Ito? Yung bahay ba kung saan bumaba si Barbie Fortesa is bahay nila to? Or bahay ni na Boots Anson Roa? Pero kasi sa bihis niya, parang hindi siya caregiver dito. Ang pumapasok talaga sa utak ko talaga is caregiver siya. Yun yung pumapasok, caregiver si Barbie Fortesa. Tapos pinag-connect niya yung dalawa. Anyways, panoorin na natin ulit. Trailer na ba to? Para bang nabitin ako for today's video? Okay. Ganda ng musical sound score niya.
Tonight I can write the saddest lines. The night is starry, and the stars are blue and shiver in the distance. The night wind revolves in the sky and sings. Tonight I can write the saddest lines.
Tonight I can write the saddest
I
line.
loved her. And sometimes she loved me too.
Through nights like this one, I held her in my arms. I kissed her again and again
Ganda ng dialogue.
under the endless sky. I loved her. Sometimes she loved me too.
She loved me too.
How could one not have loved those great still eyes? Tonight I write the saddest lines.
To think that I do not have her. To feel that I have lost
Feeling ko
her.
talaga magjowa
To
sila
hear
dito.
the immense night, still more immense without her. And the verse falls to the soul like dew to the pasture. What does it matter that my love did not keep her? The night is shattered and she is not with me. In the distance, someone is singing. In the distance, my soul is not satisfied.
Ganda nung
That it has lost her.
dialogue. Ang ganda ng dialogue niya. Ganda. In fairness. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video Until She Remembers official trailer. Nabitin lang ako. This is Video Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye.